मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज और सम्राट अशोक जैसा राजा था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ हर 50 मील पर लोगों की वेशभूषा और मजहब बदल जाता था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जिसे अपने अस्तित्व से पहले इस ब्रह्मांड का अस्तित्व समझ आया था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ डाल डाल पे सोने की चिड़िया को पाया जाता था। आत्मा मालिक, Honorable President Sir, esteemed guests, and all my dear friends, principals, and teachers. I am Reva Darshane from class 11, standing before you to present few words on this occasion of Republic Day. India is a self-governing country since 15th of August 1947. India got its freedom from Britishers on 15th of August 1947, which we celebrate as Independence Day. However, on 26th of January, we celebrate Republic Day because because the Constitution of India came into force on 26th of January in 1950. In this year of 2025, we are celebrating the 76th Republic Day of our country. Republic means the supreme power of the people living in the country, and only the public has right to elect the representatives as a political leader. So, India is a republic and democratic country where the public has the only right to select the representatives as Prime Minister, President, etc. Our great Indian freedom fighters have struggled a lot for the Purna Swarajya in India. They did this so that our future generations may live without struggle and lead the country ahead. The name of our great freedom fighters are Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, Lala Lajpat Rai, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, etc. They continuously fought against the Britishers to make India a free country. We should always respect them. We could never forget the sacrifices for our country. We should always respect them on such great occasions of these events and salute them. Because of their deeds and so many great deeds, today we are living freely in our own country without anyone's force or the dictatorship upon us. Our first Indian president, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, has said that we find this whole vast land brought together under the one jurisdiction of one constitution and one union, which takes the responsibility of more than 320 men and women and inhabited. How shameful to say that we still fighting against the crime, violence, etc. in the form of terrorism, rape, theft, riots, etc. Again, there is a need for us to unite ourselves and fight against the slavery which is pulling back our mainstream of development of our country. Also, we need to fight against the issues like poverty, illiteracy, inequality, etc. and solve them to go ahead. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam has said that if a country has to be a beautiful minds and to corruption free, I strongly feel there are three key social members who can make it possible. Those are the mother, the father, and the teacher. As a citizen of the country, we should strongly think about it and do the possible great deeds for our future. By these words, I would like to conclude my speech. Also, I would like to thank our principal for giving me such a great opportunity to speak few words on this great occasion of Republic Day. Have a nice day. Thank you. Jai Hind.
धन्यवाद कुमारी रेवा. खरं तर रेवाचं मनोगत म्हणजे ज्या देशात सर्वाधिक युवा आहेत असा आपला देश आहे आणि त्याच युवांचं मनोगत असं म्हणायला काही हरकत नाही.